Local news for the 1st of May 2017. International Sauvignon Blanc Day is fast approaching and takes place this Friday. New Zealand Wine Growers is driving a social media campaign to raise awareness of the day and encourage consumers to celebrate the country's flagship wine. Figures from 2014 in Wairarapa have 995 producing hectares, with Sauvignon Blanc accounting for 318 of those. Chris Yaw, Global Marketing Director at New Zealand Wine Growers, says New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc is a $1.3 billion export earner, massively contributing to the success of New Zealand wine overseas. Consulting for the Masterton Council, draft annual plan is well underway. Submissions close on Monday the 8th, with anyone seeking info can doing so via the council website or popping into the office. Hearings will be held on Wednesday, May 31 and Thursday, June 1. The Best Chip Shop competition is back by popular demand after a 4-year hiatus. Bidford's People's Choice Best Chips Award voting is now open at participating chippies. National and regional awards are at stake, with regional award winners announced on the 6th of July and the national winner on the 26th of July. And in sport, the Wairarapa women's hockey team, Tui Wairarapa, have won their final at the World Masters in Auckland to take gold and become world champions of the over 35s. Well done, ladies. Club rugby from the weekend, Gladstone ensured their Old-Timers Day Old-Timers were entertained with a 25-20 win over Greytown, and Ikitahuna beat East Coast 41-22. Carlton also celebrated their Old-Timers Day with a 37-22 win over Martinborough, while Pioneer beat Marist 30-15. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.